You know, Mikey, last time I was here, you cost me the Respect Championship, and that's something I'm not going to forget. But part of me actually respects you for what you did. Part of me actually respects you for stepping up like a man. Part of me actually respects you for taking a chair and hitting me in the head, because now I know what you're made of. But Mikey, you don't know what I'm made of. And tonight is the last time here in the UAW Hall, and you better believe that I'm coming, and I'm coming for you. So get ready, Mikey. The show's about to start.
The Mikey he's referring to is Mikey Smalls, who is now one of the acolytes of Mojo McQueen. The fans here used to love this kid. Unfortunately, something went on in that casket match, just twisted his mind all around in 3 ways for Sunday. Unfortunately, he's got to fight the man that he cost the championship. That and one very pissed off Orlando Christopher. But Orlando's got that foreign object. I feel sorry for Mikey. Well, we're getting underway before the bell even rings. Oh, into the post. Orlando Christopher, known for his high-flying and hardcore fighting, using a fan's foot to throw Mikey's face into it. And it looks like he used Chocolate Thunder's knee. You never know what you're going to get at a war show, people. Timekeeper's table. Thank God we got a plastic one. The last one got broke by, I think it was Bad Company. Let's sit him in the front. Nope. Let's put his head in the chair. Empty chair, that means somebody's face is going into it. Oh, Mikey Smalls through the first 6, 7 rows of chairs. The bell hasn't even rang yet. Fans will get up and move just so Orlando Christopher can kill Mikey. Oh, and if you notice, there's actually bolts sticking out of the ring post, so I know that had to hurt. Double axe across the back of Christopher. Chop onto Mikey. Forearm to the back. Hey, the Rednecks got up for a second. Bulldog onto the chair. Double stomp onto the chest. Good God. Maybe we'll finally get in the ring and start this match. Yep, it started. Mikey Smalls is getting the advantage early on since the bell rung. Without his bell being rung. Choking out Christopher. This is not a hardcore match. This is just a standard one-on-one grudge match. You would think otherwise after seeing the opening minutes of this contest. A lot of kicks to the chest of Orlando Christopher. Crowd absolutely hates Mikey Smalls. That's the one good thing about the Lima crowd. They are not afraid to voice their opinions on people they like or people they don't like. Clothesline to Orlando Christopher. Mikey trying to slow the tempo down a little bit. Any momentum that Orlando Christopher gets, seems less and less likely that Mikey might actually pull something off here. My money's on Orlando. Misses the clothesline, comes back, up and over, rolls him up, 1, 2 count only. Orlando trained in the Rage Dojo. He likes going hardcore, but honestly, he can wrestle on the mat with the best of them. Smacking Orlando Christopher upside the head, Mikey, not a good idea. Back elbow. 1, 2 count again. Orlando Christopher trying to get the fans to rally behind him. Misses the elbow drop. Christopher back on his feet. German. German 2. Trying to go for 3, but looks like Mikey's going to break that up. Screw it. Belly to belly instead. He just poked him in the eye. Couple of shots. He's biting him now. He must not have had any lunch or anything. The fans are calling Mikey no balls. Huge superplex. Not sure who took the worst of that landing. Fans getting behind Orlando Savage once again. Whip off, hit to the gut, comes back over, another click to the gut. Whips him in another time, hits him in the stomach this time. Mikey goes up and over. Oh, nice Russian leg sweep by Orlando. Orlando not dumb enough to... Oh, swinging neck breaker. Orlando's got to be asking himself what he's got to do to put Mikey down for the 3 count. Going back to the outside, up to the top. And he was just denutted on the top turnbuckle. Two count only. It's going to take a lot more than that to take Christopher out. DDT, that might do it. Two count again. Looks like Mikey's getting a little frustrated too. And Mikey's arguing with the fans that he actually has a set of balls. Oh! Turnabout is fair play. Mikey has been posted. And Mikey's stuck. That could be bad for him. Orlando on the top rope. Going coast to coast with a headbutt. Two count only. You know, most people go for a drop kick for coast to coast. Orlando's just crazy enough to go for that headbutt. Trading back and forth, Orlando gets the advantage. Hits him with the rolling elbow. Super kick, but only caught him, looked like right. Oh! What's good for one's good for the other. Reverse DDT. 1, 2, 2 count only. About ready to have to eat my words. Really, a guy your size is just going to move out of the way and let him get a chair? It'll get him disqualified. I don't think he really cares. Oh, mistake. Mikey just got nailed with that foreign object that Christopher brought out. Leg drop from the top rope. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Orlando Christopher getting some redemption against Mikey Smalls after Mikey cost him the Respect Championship to Mojo McQueen.